Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your language on the Threads app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Threads application on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and use your Instagram account to log in. Once you are logged in, you will be taken into the homepage from which you can browse through various different threads. Now, if you wish to change the language, tap on the account icon at the bottom right corner and then tap on the menu icon at the top right. Now, within this settings menu, you will see the language option. Go ahead and tap on it and you will see the list of various different languages that are available for the Threads app. Just choose whichever language you wish. And once you tap on your desired language, the interface will be changed to this language and the app will restart right away. Once the application restarts, the language will be changed. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your language on the Threads app. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.